You love the holodeck? You and me, okay? Everybody else I ask has no idea. Exactly. So imagine like you're off in the future in Starfleet, and you meet somebody, and you like have a crush on this person, and you'd like to express to them what it's like to have eaten Southern food. Now, you can only ask the holodeck to call up 5 foods or beverages. Which 5 would you pick?
5 foods or beverages to express what it's like to do Southern food.
Southern food, okay. American South.
We're definitely crawfish.
Yeah.
I love crawfish. I personally, and I don't know if this is Southern, but I think we do a good taste on it. I would love some wings to be sent to the holodeck.
Mm-hmm.
Gumbo, definitely. Our version of a Benedict, any like fried oysters on top. You know, brunch food. Brunch is big in the South. So.
Well, one of the events we're doing in Tasmania is Southern brunch.
Yes.
Yeah.
With biscuits. Can I just like lump
Biscuits, yeah, sure. Go ahead. You threw it in there.
I don't know how much food that is.
That's 4. So if you picked a either a drink or a dessert.
Oh, drinks I do a quick butcher. So I think, I guess you have to get like a old fashioned down here. I like a Sazerac myself.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely ice cold beer, just because wherever you're from, if you experience cold beer in the heat, it's a whole other experience. Not only the flavor, but just like the satisfaction you get.
What's in the Sazerac?
Sazerac is rye whiskey, a little bit of simple syrup. They take a glass and they coat it with like an anise spirit, like herb sand, and then they put a little bit of rye whiskey, bitter and simple, and just mix it up.
Okay.
Dump the herb sand.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.